So why is content creation and social media important for your brand? You're watching Brand Video Pro, where I teach brands and businesses how to tell your stories in compelling ways. If you're new here, my name is Kenem, so let's begin. So the first thing to understand is that we are full swing into the information era. It is no longer the industrial era. A lot of people are industrial era minded. They're applying some of, industrial era, behaviors into the information era. And, while some aspects of the information era do still apply in today's age, if you really want to be ahead of the curve or with the times, you have to be in the information era. So what does that really mean? And let's unpack that. So the currency of the information era is attention. There's so much competition in the world. You're competing with everything to grab and grasp people's attention. So as a brand, you really have to think up engaging ways to capture your audience. And this is why online content creation has a place for your brand, because first of all, it has a very low cost of entry. Anybody can start up an Instagram or any sort of, YouTube social media account. And as long as you have a smartphone, you can start posting videos, you can start posting photos, online. So all you need is high internet speeds, or you just need internet speeds, and you need, a smartphone to start creating content online. That's all you need. And this is essentially giving you easy visibility, or let's say easier visibility than you would have gotten in the industrial era. Because think about it. Think about marketing in the industrial era. What does that entail? You probably have to host an event. You probably have to, meet with people, go to different offices to pitch your product, go to high traffic locations, which probably cost a lot of money to promote your product. And I'm thinking about it from a grassroots perspective, but even from a bigger scale perspective, putting your ad on television to reach a huge audience, right? Putting your ads on billboards to reach a huge audience. And that has a high cost for you to be able to do that. But on social media, you have the opportunity of virality to reach an even bigger audience worldwide. And that is what makes it more compelling and more interesting and more necessary for your business. So should you be creating content online? Yes, absolutely. If your business requires more sales, which every business does, if your brand requires more visibility, then you should absolutely be posting online. Now, the question about which platform you should be on and how do you gain visibility, well, I break that down in my online course on brandvideoproagency.com, or you could go to streamovg.com and you could check out Brand Video Pro, and I break down for you how to gain more visibility online. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.